During a live comedy performance, Tina Fey was in the middle of a punchline when she unexpectedly sneezed, sending her audience into peals of laughter. Initially caught off guard, Fey couldn't help but laugh along with the crowd, acknowledging that even the best-laid plans can go awry. Embracing the moment, she quipped about how her sneeze had apparently become the most memorable part of the set. The incident quickly went viral, showcasing Fey's genuine humor and ability to connect with her audience. Her charm and quick wit turned a potential blunder into a universally relatable and endearing moment that fans cherished.